So, good morning, everyone. Once again, this is Anne Salarza from Henkel LOCTITE, Sales Engineer. We would like to thank all of you who participates today's webinar for sharing part of your time to partake on our today's scheduled LOCTITE ML-11 multi-purpose maintain Lube training. For today's webinar, it will be presented by Mr. Angelo Tolentino, our Territory Sales Manager for LOCTITE. So from here, let me turn over now the presentation to our speaker of the day. Jello, it's on you now.
All right, thank you, Anne. Good morning again, everyone. Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. First, thank you all for taking time this morning for this webinar regarding LOCTITE ML-11 multi-purpose maintain lube. Hopefully, in this webinar, we will be able to demonstrate the importance, the versatility, and advantages of LOCTITE ML-11. I'll be the speaker for today. I'm Angelo Tolentino, your trade sales manager who handles the retail business under ACM Group. I've been working with Henkel Philippines for almost 20 years now. My first sales assignment was under AC Consumer Adhesives as sales representative, and then now I was transferred to another department, and eventually the name of our department was changed to another name, and now we are here with ACM Sales Philippines. Many things has changed and happened in Henkel Philippines, but I'm still here. So without further ado, now let's start our presentation. Let's start enumerating first the benefits and features of LOCTITE ML-11, and later in the next slides, we will explain the details further. Here are the 4 essential benefits. It has penetrant component, lubricant, or it provides lubrication, third, cleaner, or it has cleaning ability, and last, rust preventative or provides rust protection. Next, these are the essential and unique features. Ergonomic design with 360-degree spray application range and unique bendable and folding nozzle that will not fall off and convenient to operate. Now let's move on to the next slide to explain further the benefits and features of LOCTITE ML-11 multi-purpose maintain lube. Let's begin with penetrant that LOCTITE ML-11 has. Penetrant meaning something that can penetrate or it's capable of penetrating, just like LOCTITE ML-11. It penetrates rusted and corroded assemblies. It can be used to free rusted mechanical parts so that they can be moved or removed. LOCTITE ML-11 can pass through into narrow space between threads or 2 parts. Kindly remember this, na ang LOCTITE ML-11 ay may ganitong kakayanan, pumasok sa makikipot na puwang para tumagos sa makalawang o kinakalawang na parte ng bakal. And here we have a few image samples to show the penetrant component ability of LOCTITE ML-11. Now, we have lubricant. ML-11 provides superior lubrication even under extreme pressure. It can also reduce wear and heat between contacting surfaces on relative motion. The other purpose of this product not only lubricates each part, but also to reduce friction and wear. I'm sure ito ang isang mga dahilan kung bakit gumagamit tayo ng ganitong product for lubrication purposes. So, let me repeat. LOCTITE ML-11, hindi lang ito, it provides lubrication, but also it has other benefits. It can reduce friction, prevent wear, control temperature, and protect the metal or equipment. Again, we have some few images there in our slide, a sample application. So we can also use LOCTITE ML-11 to lubricate squeaky drawers, doors, hinges, loosen rusty nuts and screws, and even lubricates rusty tools, and etc. And to show you a simple demo, ipapakita natin ang isa sa mga benefits ng LOCTITE ML-11. It provides superior lubrication. So we have here, tatayo lang ako para mas makita nyo. So meron tayong garden tool dito. Ang tawag dito ay grass cutter. So kita naman natin na parang talagang marami na rin siyang rust at meron siyang squeaky sound. So ang gagawin lang natin, gamitan natin ng LOCTITE ML-11. Siguraduhin natin yung mga parts na kailangan ma-applyan, applyan natin. So unti-unti ito penetrate and provides lubrication. So isa yon sa mga pwedeng paggamitan ng LOCTITE ML-11 at ito rin, old padlocks. So pwede rin natin paggamitan to ng LOCTITE ML-11. So sprayan nyo lang. So it provides lubrication. So ito ay sa mga pwedeng paggamitan in terms of lubrication. Now, let's talk about the cleaner as one of the benefits of LOCTITE ML-11. LOCTITE ML-11 is not only perfect for lubricating, nakita nyo naman kanina, but also for cleaning and degreasing light soil from the surface plates, chocks, and other machine or polished metal surfaces. Ito ang malinaw at klaro na ang LOCTITE ML-11 ay hindi lang for lubrication purposes. Pwede din for degreasing, cleaning, or removing any residual from a particular elements like buff out scuff marks on bumpers, scap off your ceramic floors. No? So yung mga ceramic floors na mayroong mga dumi, pwede mo rin gamitin. Remove lipsticks on clothes. Remove price tags, labels, stickers. Remove paints from tile flooring sa floor kapag may ito yung paint, pwede mo rin gamitin. And remove crayon drawings from walls. To do a simple demo ulit, no, meron tayo ditong ginawa natin to, no. Ginawa talaga lang natin para magkaroon ng ayan, crayon, naka-smiley, no. So kunyari yung bata nagkaroon ng vandalism. So drawing niya ng smiley. So gamitan lang natin ng LOCTITE ML-11. Spray tayo. Spray. Gamitan nyo lang ng cloth. Yan. Natanggal na. So isa sa mga pwedeng paggamitan ng LOCTITE ML-11 at sa leather. Pwede rin. So kung gusto mong linisin o kung merong stain, apply mo lang itong leather, punasan, no? Tingnan nyo, nagiging malinis siya kumpara sa walang application. So it provides din, nililinis niya. At the same time, kung meron kayong mga sticker or price tags na gusto niyo tanggalin, pwede niyo rin gamitin using a LOCTITE ML-11. Spray nyo lang din. Hintay natin ng ilang mga segundo. Punasan natin, baka tumulo eh. And then ngayon, tanggalin natin yung price tag. Ayun. Oh. And then yung matitira, pwede mo linisin pa rin ng cloth hanggang siya'y matanggal ng lubusan. So pwede rin siya. So that's for cleaner. And now let's move sa rust preventive benefit. Protect steel surface against salt corrosion and rust in high humidity condition. It has a long-lasting formula to protect metals by blocking rust and corrosion. Let me just clarify this one. Rust preventative meaning it can protect the surface, no, metal or steel parts, assemblies, etc., from rust and corrosion in a certain period of time, but it cannot protect the metal indefinitely, no? So wala nang panghabang buhay, no? Wala atang ganung produkto na forever ang protection. kailangan pa din natin paminsan-minsan na maintenance. Most especially, as I have mentioned earlier, steel parts like bearing, hinges, assemblies, and others exposed outdoor, exposed with water, dirt, and air, eventually, because of these different elements, corrosion and rust is possible to recur again. But regular using of LOCTITE ML-11, it may protect and prolong the lifespan of the metal or steel parts, assemblies, and others. Okay, so now let's talk about the unique features of this amazing LOCTITE M11 multi-purpose maintain lube. Ano ito? LOCTITE M11 has ergonomic design with 360 degrees spray application range. What is the meaning of ergonomic design? Ano bang ibig sabihin nito? Meaning products that you interact with physically must be comfortable, convenient to use, and fit the needs of the user. Sa madaling salita, dapat ito ay komportable at madaling gamitin. Good ergonomic design has been shown to increase work quality and production. So, ang produkto daw na may ergonomic design like LOCTITE ML11 ay pinabibilis at pinapaayos at maging quality ang resulta ng trabaho or application. And we are so proud to tell you that LOCTITE ML11, ML11, has these features. Sabi nga natin, LOCTITE ML11 has ergonomic design with 360 degrees spray application range. Ano ba yung 360 sinasabi natin? Ito po yun. So, yan, pwede mo siyang ikot. Pwede mo rin ikot yung head. No? Kasi ang ibang mga available lubricants sa market, fixed yung head niya. Fixed. And it has two types of spraying mode. No? Wider area, ito po yun. Yung wider area. Kung kailangan mo ay malawak ang spray for wider surface. And localized spray, gagamitan natin itong nozzle for hard to reach areas. We are using the wide area spray. We are using, again, the wide area spray. Pero kung gusto mo ay focus lang, no? At concentrated lang sa isang area, use the localized spray here. Okay? So, ito yung dalawang mode of spraying mode. And now let's move on to another features, no? Another feature that LOCTITE M11 has. It has, ito yun, isa pa maganda rin, may bendable nozzle. Application in hard to reach areas. Nababaluktot ang nozzle. Depende sa pangangailangan. Pwedeng gamitin sa makikipot na puwang and then pwede mo ulit ibalik sa original form. So, pakita natin, ha? So, itong nozzle na to ay bendable. So, nabebend mo yan. Nabebend. Bebend. Kung saan direction mo gustong gawin. At pwede mo siyang ibalik din sa dating form na state lang. And you can use this into hard to reach areas. Plus, yung nozzle attachment bottle, tapos yung nozzle naka-attach dun sa bottle, no? Won't fall off, won't lose it. Kumpara sa ibang produktong lubricant na plastic nozzle yung kanila. At madalas natatanggal habang ginagamit. At madalas ay nawawala pa ang plastic nozzle. So, again, ito yung mga features niya. Bendable. Okay. At naka-attach sa bottle. Besides that, LOCTITE M11 has still other features. More features. LOCTITE M11 has 5 to 10% more content than most competitors available within the same price range. Ang LOCTITE M11 ay higit na mas madami ang laman than other leading brand of lubricant with the same price range. Ang LOCTITE M11 will not leave leftover product inside the container, the bottle, making it more economical than competitors. Bakit? because Loctite M11 has better and high quality propellants. That's why will not leave o leftover o walang natitira. Ubus ang laman sa aid, walang sayang. No? To give you more ideas, information about the amazing Loctite ML Maintain Lube, we have prepared a short video to show. Please watch this video.
LOCTITE ML-11 Multi-Purpose Maintain Lube. It rapidly lubricates, cleans and protects metal surfaces. LOCTITE ML-11 has a unique design with bendable nozzle for better accuracy and easy application. It stops squeaks rapidly, cleans and protects parts that could hardly be reached, sprays effectively with better accuracy, lubricates and prevents rust, stops squeaks and smoothens sliding doors, lubricates rapidly, no mess, no sweat. LOCTITE ML-11 has a unique design with bendable nozzle for better accuracy and easy application. What LOCTITE ML-11 can do? Reduce noise and smoothen the sliding gate. Loosen rusty nuts and screws. Cleans garden tools. Protects tools from rusting. Lubricates rusty door lock. Protect metal surface from rusting. Buff out scuff marks on bumpers. Loosen rusty nuts. Lubricates hinges on doors. LOCTITE ML-11 on ladies. Removes adhesive labels. Removes price tags. Removes sliding motion. Luggage bag roller. Chair with roller. Remove lipstick stains on clothes. Lubricates hinges on kitchen cabinets. LOCTITE ML-11 spray like never before.
We are almost done with our presentation, but let me do a recap about the benefits and features of Loctite M11 Multi-Purpose Maintain Lube. Again, here are the 4 essential benefits of Loctite M11. So it has penetrant component. It penetrates rusted and corroded assemblies. It can be used to free rusted mechanical parts so that they can move or remove. Using Loctite M11, maaari mo nang magalaw o matanggal. Loctite M11 can pass through into narrow space between threads or 2 parts. Second, lubricant. Provide superior lubrication even under extreme pressure. It can also reduce wear and heat between contacting surface on a relative motion. Sa paggamit nito, it can reduce friction. Isipin nyo, kung walang lubrication, tuloy ang friction, no? Kasi metal to metal na. And using Loctite M11, may iiwasan ang pagkasira. And then cleaner. Loctite M11 is perfect for lubricating and cleaning and degreasing light soil from the surface plates, chocks, and other machined or polished metal surfaces. Hindi lang ito for metal lubrication, no? We can also use LOCTITE ML-11 on other surfaces. Yung kanina na-mention ko, no? And na-mention din sa video for cleaning like scuff of your ceramic floors, no? Remove lipsticks on clothes, remove price tags, labels, stickers, remove paints from tile flooring, ano pati doon sa ceramic, doon sa ating kitchen sink. Kung may mga stain, you can also use LOCTITE ML-11. Remove crayon drawings from walls and others as pinakita ko nga kanina. So very effective. Then rust preventative. Protect steel surface against corrosion, rust in high humidity conditions. It has a long lasting formula to protect metals parts by blocking rust and corrosion. Simply, nagbibigay din ito ng rust protection. Now we're done with the benefits. Now let's do a recap naman also regarding the features. Kasi maganda features ng LOCTITE ML-11. No? LOCTITE ML-11 features has, again, ergonomic design with 360-degree spray application range. So nakikita nyo ang magandang feature nito. So naiikot mo siya, pwede yung container or yung head ang iikot mo. And have two types of spraying mode. Wide area, ito yon, and localized spray for hard to reach areas using the nozzle. No? Focus and spray sa target area or part. And then bendable nozzle. Ito yun, nabe-bend natin ang nozzle. Pwede natin din ibalik sa dati. Okay? And won't fall off. Even won't fall off, won't lose. Kasi naka-fix na ito. So, di ba, madalas ang problema nawawala yung nozzle. This one, hindi. Kasi nakadikit. And other features, it has 5 to 10% more content than most competitor within the price range. LOCTITE ML-11 will not leave leftover product inside a bottle or container because you are using high quality propellant. So meaning, kung high quality propellant ang ginagamit, walang matitira, ubus lahat ng laman from the container. Sa simpleng salita, simut sagad. Simut sagad. So, that's it for LOCTITE ML-11 multi-purpose maintain lube.
Thanks, Angelo, for that very interesting topic and also for the short recap on the additional tips and guidelines on using ML-11. It's very good. With this, I hope everyone now has a bigger idea with regards to this product. Now we go on to our quick Q&A or question and answer portion. So for the first question, Jello,
right.
Will the penetration function of ML-11 makes the metal more vulnerable to rust?
Okay. Sa tanong na yan, ang sagot, hindi. No. Instead, it can help protect rust from metals, no, without further damaging the metal. It can also protect from wearing. So ang sagot, ang simpleng sagot dyan, ay hindi. No.
Okay, so it's a no.
A no, yes.
All right. Okay, for another question, this is from Anonymous. He or she is asking what kind of surfaces and contaminants can ML-11 clean? Then he or she also has a follow-up question and asking if it is flammable and or dangerous to human skin.
Okay.
So I think you can address the first one first.
Yes, let me answer the first question, no, kung saang surfaces or contaminants can use ML-11. So kanina na pinakita ko sa inyo na ang LOCTITE ML-11 is very versatile. No? You can use sa rubber, wood, glass, and certain plastic. Because not all plastic, a certain type of plastic is, kasi mayroong iba kasi, no, will slowly disintegrate or magkaroon ng discoloration. So siguro sa kung plastic, gamitin nyo muna siguro sa maliit na portion, try nyo. Kung walang magkakaroon ng discoloration or disintegrate, pwede nyong ituloy. So very versatile, pwede pang ibang gamitin sa wood, sa tiles, sa leather, no? So maraming pwedeng paggamitan ang LOCTITE ML-11, very versatile. And then din sa second question, kung is ML-11 is flammable, The answer is yes. It's flammable, no? Like sa ibang aerosol din na product. Aerosol technically, no? So we keep away, so kailangan keep away from heat, sparks, and all other sources of ignition kasi it has combustible liquid. So pakiingatan lang, no? Wag niyong expose sa talagang sa malapit sa apoy or sa mainit talaga because it is kasi may combustible liquid to. And let's just be safe, okay?
So it's flammable. That's why please
Yeah.
be careful with the storage location of LOCTITE ML-11. How about Jello? There's another question here. It's actually part of the question I raised earlier. Aside from the
Mhm.
flammable, they are also asking if it is dangerous to human skin. I think you missed to answer that as well.
Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, yes, kung ito ay ulit-ulit na mangyayari, no, yes, repeated exposure may cause skin dryness or drying. So, kahit ano man sigurong chemical or ano mang aerosol, no, kung laging siyang madalas na madidikit sa balat, it may cause dryness or cracking. So, i-avoid natin. Or, kung gusto niyo siguradong hindi magkaroon ng exposure ang skin niyo, pwede kayong gumamit ng gloves, no, so para lang siguradong protektado yung inyong skin.
Okay, another question from the chat box. Someone is asking if it does it comes in a different sizes, or what are the available sizes that we are selling in the market?
Okay. Sa ngayon, we only have one size. Ito po yung 360 ml. So makikita niyo to sa mga DIY, no, sa handyman, kung pwedeng magsalita ng ibang mga outlets pa. So doon makikita niyo to sa mga DIY. So isa lang size ang available natin right now, 360 ml. This one.
Okay, another question here is maaari po bang i-apply ang LOCTITE ML-11 sa mga ceramics katulad ng tiles sa kitchen sink? Nakakaalis po ba ito ng dumi or stain?
Yes, oo. Kanina na-mention na rin natin kanina sa presentation natin na ito ay pwede ring gamitin, no, pang-cleaning or degreasing sa mga maduduming air like sa floor o ceramic tiles or sa kitchen sink. So, yung madudumi doon, nasubukan namin na nakakatanggal siya, makakatulong siyang makaalis ng dumi. So, yes, ang sagot doon, yes, Anne.
Okay, that's good to hear, Jello. And siguro as an additional lang, based on experience with regards dun sa ceramic tiles, nagamit din namin siya sa paglinis ng stain ng mga water, especially for yung tiles na ang color niya is black, kung saan kung minsan kumakapit yung mga dumi
yung
ng
mga
tubig.
stubborn stain, di ba?
Yes,
Oh,
that's
yes.
correct. Stubborn
Okay.
stain.
Yeah, pwede mo gamitin ng LOCTITE ML-11. Makakatulong siya makalinis.
Okay. Okay. How about the smell, Jello? Does it stain ba or may distinct smell ba ang ML-11?
At tungkol naman sa smell, no. Sa una, no, like most aerosol lubricants, no, LOCTITE ML-11 does have an odor. When first applied, katulad kanina, nag-apply ako, may konti siyang odor. But for me, I don't know, depende sa tao, but tolerable. But the odor quickly goes away within 10 to 15 minutes. So, again, tolerable siya. May konti siyang odor. Lalo na kung nasa indoor. Pero kung outdoor, baka hindi mo na masyadong mapansin yung odor kung outdoor.
I have another question. This is actually a common question we're hearing from most of our end customers who's using different products like lubricants. So they're always asking what is the distinguish or advantages of using our product compared to those others local brands available in the market?
Okay, Ann. In addition to the scientifically proven formulation na meron tayo sa LOCTITE ML-11, its advantages are yung pinakita ko kanina, yung kanyang ergonomic design that LOCTITE ML-11 has. Kasi kung makikita niyo sa market, yes, meron tayo mga almost the same na size, pero ang kanilang design ay naka-fix, no? Hindi ergonomic design. Itong atin is versatile and convenient And because of this ergonomic design, na-increase niya yung quality in production or application work niya. Again, very convenient gamitin. Uulitin ko ulit yung kanyang advantages in terms of features, yung kanyang 360 degree, yung kanyang nozzle naka-fixed, meron siyang dalawang spray mode, yung wide at yung localized, at bendable yung nozzle. Kasi yung iba, may nozzle nga, pero plastic. So hindi mo siya magagawa ng ganito kung saan direction mo kailangan. So, yan ang isa sa pinaka advantages ng ating LOCTITE M-11 versus other brands. And
Thank you, Jello. Okay, so the last question would be, how long will this tube sustains versus competitor product?
ang pinag-uusapan natin dito siguro yung shelf life, no? So yung shelf life natin is 3 years. Should be stored in a right location or room temperature. Kasi kahit anong product, kung napakainit ng room, no, kahit anong produkto, magkakaroon talaga ng unfavorable effect sa product. So it should be room temperature. At yung product natin ay 3 years. Actually, hindi lang 3 years, based sa experience ko na may product ko like this one, it is more than 3 years na. Until now, nagagamit ko pa rin. Very effective pa rin sa mga ginagamit ko dito sa bahay. So, 3 years minimum, but you can use it more than 3 years. So, ito yon, shelf life niya. Hanggang ngayon, ano pa rin, malinis pa rin at nagagamit ko pa rin talaga. Very effective.
Thank you, Jello. So I think few things to take note of LOCTITE ML-11. So as mentioned by Jello, it's in 360 ml packaging. And flammable, so please watch out on the storage location. Then shelf life is 3 years. Okay.
Yes.
So this ends now our Q&A portion. So thank you everyone, and of course thank you, Jello, for giving us a clearer view now of what ML11 can do and help us in our day-to-day living actually. So since we have very limited time, as mentioned, so for those questions that we are not able to answer, we'll be replying to you directly or posting our reply on our FB and YouTube page. So this will be actually the last webinar schedule for this year. We are looking forward once again for your support and participation by next year, 2022. So we'll be sharing more of the details of the succeeding webinar soon. So once more, thank you everyone for attending our LOCTITE ML-11 webinar. You can follow us on our official FB page, LOCTITE PH. For those of you who missed out the previous 5 webinars we have conducted last time, 3 of which were already available in Henkel LOCTITE YouTube channel, LOCTITE Philippines. You may already start to browse and check it there, but then of course, don't forget to click on like, share, and subscribe button after watching on the videos. Yeah, so lastly, for any inquiries and concerns, you can email us directly at marketing.philippines@henkel.com, and we will gladly assist you afterwards. So once more, thank you everyone. See you all again on our next webinar. Until next year, stay safe and have a happy week.